everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 21st to the 25th of March 2022 on Monday. Angelina has devastating news for Corporal Zweli step up his offense against his enemy on Tuesday. Uncle Moses hands out his own brand of wisdom, and Detective Shabalala and Zweli have a tough decision to make on Wednesday. Mnqobi senses Lindiwe's trust wavering. Angelina shares her secret with the wrong person on Thursday. Corporal is determined to show Angelina that he's committed to her while Zweli's investigation takes him down a winding and twisting path on Friday. Angelina gears up for her happily ever after, and Zweli gets closer and closer to the truth. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.